See he who weeps upon the souls who wander from heaven's rest. O Salam, he who bore thee home, weeps now upon thy mountain crest. He came not for the righteous man, but for us fools as we. He came our wandering paths to end, that we may run our lives with Thee. He could have let His graces end as soon as I chose my own path, but yet He came to be my friend and bear Himself my Lord and wrath. Upon the hill outside the walls, I see my friend bear grief for me. O God, who through our suffering calls, were tears that wept so violently. And for those souls who share this earth, who wander as I often do, I know He bore the lashing death, and calls to hear the blessed news.